Welcome back to the Gator Metal Roofing YouTube channel. I am your host, Nicole, and today we are here with Bobby Roberts here in Bessemer City. Bobby is a brand new Gator customer, got a brand new roof installed just days ago. Bobby, how are you doing this morning?
Fine.
I'm excited to chat with you. Sounds like you're a little local celebrity in this area and in the racing community. Can you tell our viewers what you do for a living?
We do have a racetrack here, and we have a race once a month.
Yeah.
But as far as work, no, that's TV watching. I retired 24 years ago.
Well, congratulations.
So I've lived a good life.
You have. It sounds like you've done a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything, not a whole lot of anything.
Love that. And so tell our viewers about your business. You're wearing the awesome swag right now. What is G3RC?
G3RC is an RC off-road track. It's sort of like the bicycle that they see when they go to doing the jumps and all. Well, this is done with 1/10 and 1/8 scale cars that are electric, and they're also nitro driven. And there is a big following in that. We've averaged over 100 entries at every race this year. It's a family thing. They bring their kids, whatever. It's something that they can do and bring the whole family. It's fun. It will work.
Yes, it is.
But it's fun, and it's something to do.
And like you said, you're retired now, but it's something to help you pass the time and still, you know, hang out with others in the community and do something that you're passionate about.
We met a lot of nice people doing it.
Yeah. What first got you into racing in the first place?
We went to one. Didn't have any cars or anything, but we just went and watched. Oh, this is something we might like to get into.
Yeah.
And it really boiled after that.
And who knew that it would blossom into your own business and a racetrack out here? How cool is that?
Yep.
How can people find out more about your business? Do you have a website?
Go to RCG3. My daughter posts on there all the time.
Plug away. Do you know when the next race out here will be?
It'll be November the 22nd.
You guys heard it here, November 22nd.
And we're expecting it. It's going to be Racer Appreciation Day.
Oh, cool.
We will have all the ones that come to support us. We'll have something special for them out there that day.
And how long have you lived in this particular home?
50, right at 50 years.
That's amazing. When did you decide you want to make that shift from shingles to metal in the first place?
Well, I have put 4 roofs on that house, asphalt shingles. We had a tornado come through here.
Is this that tornado damage right there?
We've got metal roofs on all these buildings down here in the barns. It's not going to get any better than that.
Yeah.
And when I go be with my wife, my kids will have this. And so it's something they won't have to worry about.
And currently, like you said, just less maintenance overall, the durability, the look, the shine, but you know, just protecting your home. You said that, you said briefly that after the tornado came through, right, the insurance company was looking at your roof, you're like, you're good to go. And you're like, no, there's leaks all over.
Yep. I had 4 rooms that was leaking, but they said my roof was all right. But they didn't want to pay.
Yeah.
So I've got a different insurance company now.
Yeah, love that for you.
And no, I just had the metal roof put on, and the people that did it was fantastic.
And you just got this done a couple days ago, is that correct?
Yeah.
Sounds like they came in, I mean, from the time that you even called for an inspection and all that jazz, it took what, less than 2 weeks, it sounds like?
Yeah,
a
week and a half, something like that.
That's amazing.
And the 3 young gentlemen that come put this on, I was impressed with their work. I sat out and watched them.
Really? Eating some popcorn.
Retired people can do that.
Yes, you can.
Oh, they did a fantastic job.
And what made you decide to go with this dark brown color? Kind of matches the shingle that you had before.
Yeah, it matches everything else. I've had light shingles put on it one time, and it don't go with that siding.
Yeah.
Well, underneath the siding, this was a see-through. We had see-through board lap siding put on it. I got tired of cleaning it.
That's fair.
I put vinyl siding on.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. It looks like it was made with the house. Everything, you know, especially even with the shingles on your barn, it all still looks very cohesive.
We've enjoyed life and hope to enjoy it some more.
Yes.
I just had my 76th birthday and I posted.
Oh, congratulations.
76 now, only 24 more to go.
And you got yourself a brand new roof for your birthday, basically.
Merry Christmas.
I love it. What was your just overall experience working with our team from beginning to end?
Unbelievable. Thorough, enjoyable. Like I say, the workers were top notch.
Yeah.
You couldn't ask for better. They did everything. No shortcut. It was get the job done. And if it didn't look right, they started to move it and made it right. I really was impressed with their work.
I love that.
The salesman, oh yeah, he went through everything and told me about it. And a really nice guy. He's somebody that you'd invite to your house for supper.
No, we love to hear that. We'll have to share that with him. I'm sure he would appreciate that. I know you only got this roof put on a couple days ago, but have you noticed anything different with having a metal roof versus having the shingles that you had before?
I've not turned the heat on yet, and it's been chilly.
It has been, yeah.
But when it feels chilly, I go in and look at the thermometer. Well, it's the same as it was during the day.
Yeah.
So I have noticed that the heat pump doesn't run nothing like what it did. So I really appreciate that.
Yeah, that's what we love. Do you have any advice for any other homeowners watching or neighbors or anyone in the race community who might watch this and they're like, maybe they've contemplated switching to a metal roof before and they just don't know if they should pull the trigger or not?
Yeah.
What advice do you have for them about switching over to metal?
It's great. It's going to hold up. It's going to last. As many screws as they put in that, they put down the slats, and so it's not going anywhere.
No.
Like I say, I put 4 shingle roofs on that house. Nah, that'll be my last one.
Yeah, again, saves you that peace of mind, has that lifetime warranty. If you do have another tornado come through or a hurricane or whatever, something you just don't have to worry about anymore.
Yep, sleep a whole lot better at night.
Yes.
Like I say, I was impressed with the entire job that Gator Roofing did for me. And I would recommend them to anyone.
And again, you got it from beginning to end, you got everything done in less than 2 weeks, which is amazing.
Oh yeah, from the initial call that I made to having it done, it's less than 2 weeks.
And again, you have that lifetime warranty, so if there are any issues in the future, just give us a call and our team will be here, Nickety Split, to come help save the day. It was nice meeting you. Thank you so much for having us today. Anyone watching, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave us a comment down below if you have any questions about metal roofing, and we will see you here next time.
Bye.